What is the most bizarre thing you've caught yourself doing after your brain's autopilot misfired? I took the metro home, then realized I drove to work. That was a long night. I tried to mail my buddy a check, and it had been a while since I mailed anything. Long enough to forget how mail works, apparently. What I did was I wrote my name and address in the center, and his name in the upper left-hand corner. The letter then got returned to me. But still, my first thought wasn't, whoops, I failed at mailing this check. Instead it was, well, I guess the stamp is old, and the price of stamps went up. So I put another stamp on it and sent it again, to myself, again. My mailman must think I'm retarded. Cup of coffee in left hand, phone in the right hand. Go to my room, take a sip of my phone and throw coffee on the bed.